Hello everyone. Welcome to Skill Guru. I have a simple question for you. Are you ready to make a living off dropshipping and start working from home? You don't have little to no money to invest, but you see yourself as hard-working. Well, you are in the right place. I will help you get into the world of dropshipping with my 80-page long ebook called The Ultimate Guide to Dropshipping. I used to sell this guide for $99, but now I am giving it away for free. Now I would like to show you my today's earnings. Take in mind that I am recording this at 1 in the morning, so these stats are basically for 1 hour. And here you can see my weekly earnings. Is this something you would like to see for yourself? What will you find in this guide? A to Z instructions to set up your store for dropshipping. How to locate the right products in bulk and how to scale them in order to maximize your profits. What is the best part? It's 100% for free, there is no catch. To get the guide, just click the link in the description or go to www.dropshipfromhome.today. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get rich together.